In academic writing, several Latin abbreviations are commonly used to convey specific information. For instance, e.g. stands for exempli gratia, which is used to give examples. For example, we might say, many fruits are rich in vitamins, e.g., oranges, bananas. Similarly, i.e., which means ideist, is used to clarify or restate something in different words, such as, she is a linguist, i.e., an expert in languages. Another common abbreviation is viz., short for videlicet, used to provide more specific details or examples. For instance, the study covers 3 countries, viz., Spain, Italy, and Greece. Finally, etc., which stands for etc., is used to indicate other similar items in a list, such as, you should bring your essentials, toothbrush, soap, etc. These abbreviations help to streamline writing and make it more concise and clear.